Hi everyone, here we've got VERNEE M5 and let me share with you how to enable Google Backup on this device. So first of all we have to find and open the settings, so let's tap on it, and here we have to scroll down until we will find the option called Backup and Reset, which should be in the personal section, so let's tap on it. And as you can see on the very first position we've got the Backup My Data option, which is right now turned off, so we have to tap on it and tap on this switcher to turn it on. Let's tap on OK. Just make sure that this switcher will look like it, and now we can go back. Under it we've got the backup account option, which right now is active, so we can freely tap on it in order to add a backup account. Make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required. And here from this step we can either create a new account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone, so let me do it. Okay, now let's tap on next. Now I have to enter the password, so let me do this out of the screen. Okay, now simply tap on next or on this arrow. And here we've got some Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policies, so of course you can read it. Just tap on it and here you will receive all the info you want to check. So let's tap on I agree. Here we've got the Google services and the backup and storage info, so your device is telling you that it will back up apps and apps data, call history, contacts and device settings, for example the Wi-Fi passwords and permissions. So let's tap on accept. And as you can see, we just successfully added our backup account to this device, and from now on all the content will be stored on your Google Drive. What's more, under it we've got the automatic restore option, which is right now turned on, so it means that when you will reinstall an app, the restore your device will restore all backed up settings and data. So of course you can turn it off just by tapping on this switcher. It's really up to you how you want to set it. So actually that's all. This is how to enable the Google Backup in your VERNEE M5. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.